a comprehensive guide to relieve plantar fasciitis, pain naturally with homeopathy. Plantar fasciitis is a common foot condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It is characterized by inflammation and irritation of the plantar fascia, a thick band of tissue that runs along the bottom of the foot, connecting the heel bone to the toes. This condition can cause significant pain and discomfort, particularly in the heel area. The impact of plantar fasciitis on daily life should not be underestimated. The persistent foot pain can make even simple tasks like walking or standing unbearable. Activities that were once enjoyable, such as running or exercising, may need to be put on hold due to the intense discomfort. Understanding the causes of plantar fasciitis is crucial in finding effective ways to manage and alleviate its symptoms. Common causes include excessive strain on the feet from activities like running or standing for long periods, wearing improper footwear that lacks proper arch support, obesity, and even certain medical conditions like arthritis. We will explore various treatment options available to help manage this condition effectively and regain control over one's day-to-day activities. By gaining a better understanding of plantar fasciitis and its causes, individuals can take proactive steps towards preventing this condition or seeking appropriate treatment if already affected. Let us now explore how this foot ailment can disrupt daily life and discover strategies for finding relief from heel pain caused by plantar fasciitis. The top homeopathic remedies for plantar fasciitis relief. When it comes to finding relief for plantar fasciitis, many individuals turn to natural treatment options. Homeopathic remedies have gained popularity for their holistic approach and potential effectiveness in managing the symptoms of this condition. In this section, we will explore some of the top homeopathic remedies that may provide relief for plantar fasciitis. Let's explore various homeopathic remedies that have shown excellent results in alleviating heel pain. These natural treatments offer a gentle yet powerful alternative for those seeking long-term relief. Whether you are dealing with chronic heel pain or recovering from an injury, this section will equip you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your health naturally. So let's embark on this journey together as we discover how homeopathy can help heal your heel pain and restore your quality of life. Please note that it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. They will be able to provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and medical history. We understand that finding effective treatments for heel pain can be a challenging and sometimes frustrating experience. That's why we're excited to share with you a range of natural remedies that have shown excellent results in alleviating heel pain. We've reviewed the best stretching aids, supports, and shoes on the market to see which ones work the best. Here are our top picks. Using the Pro Stretch Rocker daily reduces pain and inflammation caused by plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, Sever's disease, shin splints, and tight calves and hamstrings. Pro Stretch isolates the lower leg muscles, tendons, and ligaments to ensure a deep, effective stretch that helps reduce injuries. Medically proven and found in physical therapy clinics worldwide, the gentle motion of the Pro Stretch provides a deeper and more effective stretch than conventional methods. A link in the description will take you to this superior product. Wear this plantar fasciitis support while sleeping to improve daytime mobility. An adjustable strap pulls back on your toes, providing a deep, therapeutic stretch to your plantar fascia, allowing the connective tissue to heal properly overnight. Getting used to sleeping with your foot in dorsiflexion will take some time. However, this lightweight night splint sock for plantar fasciitis therapy helps relieve foot and heel pain associated with plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, heel spurs, and tendon arch pain, unlike inserts and insoles, which only provide temporary relief. A link in the description will take you to this superior product. The Techware Pro Ankle Brace Compression Sleeve provides fast relief from plantar fasciitis and helps with standing and walking pain. These therapy socks helps the splint area to relieve heel and arch pain. Compressing the ligament will reduce inflammation, expediting the healing process. A tight fit around tendons and muscles will improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation. A link in the description will take you to this superior product. Plantar fasciitis feet insoles. Arch support improves foot and leg alignment, enhances comfort, and helps ease stress caused by flat feet, also known as overpronation. They also help with bunions and arthritis, and are excellent for plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. These help to maintain correct foot positioning and protects your heel during the heavy impact of landing, during walking or running, and stabilizes the foot. A link in the description will take you to this superior product. Gravity Defier Women's is a front-rolling shoe designed to reduce foot stress by isolating 28 bones, 30 joints, and over 100 muscles from harm. They come with corrective fit orthotic insoles designed to correct body alignment and help with plantar fasciitis. A link in the description will take you to this superior product. Fitville Extra Wide Walking Shoes for men are designed especially for people with wider feet and people suffering from foot problems like plantar fasciitis, flat feet, bunions, and hammer toes. The shock absorption pads ease your bounce, and the solid heel ring makes your steps steady, which will make you feel less tired even after all day walking or standing. A link in the description will take you to this superior product. Incorporating lifestyle changes can significantly enhance the results of treatment for various conditions, including plantar fasciitis. By making dietary modifications, engaging in specific exercises and stretches, and implementing stress reduction techniques, individuals can optimize their recovery and improve their overall well-being. When it comes to plantar fasciitis relief, dietary modifications can play a crucial role. Certain foods have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the foot. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and walnuts, can be beneficial. Additionally, reducing the intake of processed foods and sugary drinks may also contribute to better outcomes. Exercise and stretches targeted at improving plantar fascia health are essential components of treatment. Strengthening exercises for the feet and calves can help alleviate strain on the plantar fascia. Stretching exercises that target the calf muscles and the sole of the foot are also beneficial in maintaining flexibility and reducing tension. Managing stress is another important aspect of enhancing treatment results for plantar fasciitis. Stress not only affects our mental well-being, but also has physical implications on our body's ability to heal. Incorporating stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies that promote relaxation can aid in overall recovery. By incorporating these lifestyle changes alongside medical interventions or therapies prescribed by healthcare professionals, individuals with plantar fasciitis can experience improved outcomes. It is important to remember that every individual is unique, so consulting with healthcare provider or specialist is always recommended to create a personalized plan tailored to specific needs. Embracing the benefits of homeopathy in managing plantar fasciitis. Pain naturally can be a game changer for individuals seeking alternative remedies. Homeopathy offers a holistic approach that focuses on stimulating the body's natural healing abilities, rather than relying solely on medication or invasive procedures. One of the key advantages of homeopathy is its ability to address not just the symptoms, but also the underlying causes of plantar fasciitis pain. By considering the individual's unique symptoms and overall health, homeopathic remedies can be tailored to provide personalized relief. Furthermore, opting for natural remedies in managing plantar fasciitis pain through homeopathy eliminates the potential side effects often associated with conventional medications. This makes it a safer and more sustainable option for long-term pain management. The benefits of homeopathy extend beyond pain relief. It promotes overall well-being by addressing imbalances within the body and supporting its natural healing processes. This means that individuals utilizing homeopathic treatments for plantar fasciitis may experience improved energy levels, better sleep quality, and enhanced immune function. In conclusion, by embracing homeopathy as an alternative approach to managing plantar fasciitis pain naturally, individuals can tap into its numerous benefits. From personalized treatment plans to minimal side effects and overall well-being improvements, homeopathy offers a promising path towards finding long-lasting relief from this debilitating condition. If this information was helpful, please consider subscribing, where we bring the latest in homeopathy alternatives and products that could save you a trip to the doctor and relieve most or all of your pain.